Guys, this is the brand new Humminbird decked out Nitro 2020 prototype. Guys, this is so sick. I'm the first person to be able to see this beautiful boat. Not one of the first, but I'm actually one of the first in America. There's only 2 companies in the United States of America right now that has the 2020 Nitro prototype, and I have the opportunity to be in one right now because one of those is Silicon Marine. Guys, this is what I mean by Silicon Marine is that good. So guys, let's go ahead and go over everything in the brand new 2019 Nitro. So first thing that I want to start off with is this steering wheel. We have jack plate switches and we have trim switches. These are now different. Instead of just a lever, it's actually a little bit different. It's got more of a car button feel, if that makes any sense. As you can see right there, says jack, if you kind of can see. But then right there, there's your trim right there. Pretty basic console. Another thing that is new, underneath the console, instead of all the wires sticking out, it's kind of hard to see, but instead of all of those wires that stick out from underneath it, now the underneath side of it is completely filled in, so it's solid right here. There's no wires. Hot foot design, as you can see, it's a little bit different of a hot foot design than my boat. Talon remote controls are actually right here now instead of right underneath your feet, which actually feels a little bit more accessible, a little bit more easier to reach to. As you can see, the light's kind of actually interfering, but as you can see, there's no longer any what are they called? You know, the things that hold your Humminbird. You know, you guys know what I'm talking about, but there's no, like those up there on the front, right up there, there's no more of those. Now it's completely built in to the console itself. Console looks like carbon fiber, really sick looking. See, the consoles now look like what the Elite Series package consoles did, which I'm gonna get up and show that to you right now. We've now opened it up. Inside is a secret little tray, all of the stuff to your Humminbird. But as you can see, it's pretty low profile and secret, so nobody knows. A new feature too, instead of the knob, the deck right here being right here where you can lift it up, now it's right here and you can access it from right here. Which this, whenever the knob was right here, it kept wanting to fly up while you rode down the river, so now they got a lock facing that way and it lifts up from the other side, so it has nothing to interfere with it. Right in here, guys, we have our own little touch screen right through here. As you can see, first fish number 1, say we wanted to click on that, we get the length and the width of that fish, and it'll tell you which fish you need to call out. There's nighttime mode, all switches, you know, gauge, dimmer, just everything you could think of. Alright guys, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna click home. Boom. Gen 2 version. Literally like an iPhone. Built up like an iPhone. As you guys can see right here, here's a Talon button. Click on that Talon button right there. I can pull the talons down. I want you guys to watch this. I'm gonna click this arrow. Both talons are going down. As you can see, they're down. put them right back up. Boom. You have lighting for your talons. I mean, it's just, it looks good. You have Bluetooth if you want to Bluetooth from your phone to your Humminbird. Alarms, like if you see a fish go by. GPS, nav data. Views. We're gonna go through the views real quick. Show you guys what's up with the views. Of course, you have 2D. You have a 2D zoom, charting, down imaging, instrument, all that's normal stuff you're used to seeing. This is such a big screen, so there's no reason to have another sonar really. You can just use this one sonar. You can have 4 different screens if you wanted to. Here you go, chart, 2D, DI, and SI, which is side imaging, down imaging, 2D sonar, and charting. We're gonna go right back home. You get the fuel, you get to make your own timer, so if you're in a tournament you can time it or whatever. Of course, I just keep up with the time. You have images. Oh, that's probably if, yeah, like, so we got recordings of what you've seen on, like, on your sonar. You can go through sun and moon files, all that good stuff. Just go ahead, get a shortcut to all your stuff. You can click that right there, put all your stuff in your shortcuts. You can star whatever you want to go to your shortcuts. Let's see here. Temperature. This is what you can go through when you're in the water. Go through the temperature. We're in a boat, you know, all that good stuff. This shows you everything. This is the Elite package, I do believe, so it does come with 2 Solix 15s, one on the front and one on the console. So let's see what this is. Oh, it tells you your fish in your live well. Fish number 1, live well number 1, live well number 2. So I think you can control your live wells through your Humminbird. Yes, you can. Bilge off, lights off, fan on. We're gonna turn that off. Dimmer off. Wow, that is really cool, guys. Really cool. There's a motor too. It'd be cool if, like, you could see right there, there's a little motor icon right there. If you wanted to click on that, it'd be cool. We're noisy today because everybody's a little bit busy. They're actually over there unloading boats. If you guys can see that right there. Yep, you can. People getting boats loaded up and everything. But yeah, guys, this is the main inside of your 2020 Nitro.